Hi guys, this video is to show you how to get to your Gmail if you are on a computer. So I'm going to move myself down here, and so you're going to go to google.com and then click sign in. And I'm going to do a student account so that you can watch, so you'll just, hopefully you can just use another account or just sign, it'll be like this and you can sign in and you'll put your school ID at students.usd497.org. No spaces. If you can't get in, double check that you have it typed in right, but then you can check in with me and see if you actually have your right ID number. Then you'll hit next, and you will need to put your information in again, I believe. So 10222671. And then this is where you put in your password, which is your birthday month, birthday, and then the year. And now I'm here at the Google screen, but you can see that I am signed in as somebody. So I signed in as Jensen. And to check your email, you just go to this Gmail link that's right here. Okay, so you can decide what you want it to look like, and then here's Gmail. As you see, you've been getting a lot of emails from the school. And then you've also gotten one recently from me. So what I would recommend is selecting everything, unselecting the one I sent you, because you might want to click on things that are in there, and delete. You can also see when I send you Seesaw messages. So I would, like I said, click this square at the top, unclick my email and Seesaw's message unless you haven't seen, if you've seen it, and then delete. Since this is not mine, I'm not going to delete these for Jensen, but that's how she can do that, and you can do that. So that's how you check it. To read an email, so I'll open up this email for myself. You just click on it, double click, and then you'll open it and find it. If I've sent you attachments, they're right here, and you can click on them and it'll open it up. If I sent you something and you want to respond, you're going to hit the reply button. And then that'll send me an email. You type it in and you press send. From your Gmail, you can toggle to and from anything that is Google. So you have these dots at the top. If you click them, you can go to Gmail, you can go to your Drive, where you keep all things. So slides, documents, sheets, and then we might be using sites. That's where I think our digital class is. So go to your Google Drive. And you can see everything that's there, that's been shared with you or that you've made. And so to create something new, hit New, Google, and decide what you want it to be. I'll show you in a different video how you can upload those to Seesaw and share them with me for feedback before you're ready to turn them in for a grade.